give you some stuff that we did way back in, I think it was chapter 3. Distribution, multiplying binomials, and diamond problems. So again, if you're feeling comfortable with this and you want to work ahead, you're more than welcome to. So distribution, some of us did this by just drawing some arcs over top and doing the multiplication that way. Some of you did this by creating a box problem. So we'll review both methods. If you're going to create a box, you take the thing out front and put it out front. And then thing inside the parentheses would go up top. 7n and 7. And then we just do some multiplication. 7 times 7n is 49n. And 7 times 7 is 49. And that gives us our answer, which is 49n plus 49. You guys remember doing this? And that's it. So I'll do one more with you. Let's do number 3. And I'll ask you guys to do the other 2 on your own. Number 3, I'm going to go ahead and instead of doing the box on this, I'm just going to multiply using the arcs. So I'm thinking first 8n times 2n. 8 times 2 is 16, and n times n is n squared. And then we've got a plus, and then 8n times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and then n. You guys finish those next 2 for me. Know if you're having any trouble. If you finish 2 and 4, I have answers up here. Check and see how you did. I see many of you have already started on the multiplying binomials, so again, feel free to ignore me if you know how to do these already. But I'm going to work through one just in case. With these, I like to do these with the box. It just works better for me. I need to do a 2 by 2 box because this has 2 terms and this also has 2 terms. So when I chop it up, it needs to have 2 rows and 2 columns. And I'm going to think of this as an n and a -4, and I can either put it down the side or across the top. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to put it down the side. And a -4, and then I also have a 5n and a 1. And then we finish this up the same way that we finished just a minute ago. We just need to multiply to fill out the inside of the box. So 5n times n is 5n squared. 5n times -4 is -20n. N times 1 is n. 1 times -4 is -4. And then if we can combine like terms, we want to do that. And this one we can. We've got a -21 or -20n and a +1n. So we can put those together in our final answer. So my final answer, I'm going to go from my biggest exponent down. So 5n squared, I'm going to write first. And then -20 plus 1 is going to give me -19. So -19, and those are n terms. There's a packet right here. And then a -4 to finish it out. Thank you. And that's it. So go ahead and finish up those other 3 problems if you haven't already. I'll put answers up on the screen here. When you move down to the diamond problems, the key is that the 2 side numbers multiply to give you the top and add to give you the bottom. give you a few minutes for that, and then I'll come around and pass out your assignment, and you guys can get started on it.